Yo, what's happening, people? This video has been long overdue, so we're back here with the Civic today. As you can see, the engine's out. What we're going to be doing today is basically cleaning up the engine bay. I was looking for some videos basically on YouTube in relation to what's better, brake cleaner or degreaser. So I've been advised to use this stuff. So what we're going to do first is we're going to spray some of this. It's going to be quite a quick video. Spray some of this, agitate everything that's around. It is going to have a full respray and obviously the rust protection, as we've said before. So yeah, going to spray the engine bay first, see how it gets on, put the degreaser, actually no, you know what? I'm going to put the degreaser first and then I'm going to jet wash it and see what the results are. Obviously agitating it through the times that I'm going to be leaving it on there. As you can see, that there is a lot of gunk, people. There is a lot of gunk. A lot of people have even told me, why are you trying to save this car? Because they're getting hard to find, pretty much. And I'd rather spend some time and know it's done properly than wait for that right car to come up. So let me spray this all up and then I will take you to the next step. All right, there you go. So it's had a quick jet wash, and as you can see, a lot of the debris that was on there has come off. So we're going to hit it with the heavy duty cleaner degreaser, which I've got from B&Q. I think £6 3p, something like that. I've got 2 cans and that should potentially be enough. Then I've got a few brushes and stuff that I'm going to use to agitate it. So let's see what it looks like from before and after. I'm going to get this all down now and then we'll take it from there. I don't actually know it's a foam base, so that's actually really good because I can watch it now. So what I'm going to do, next steps are let it foam, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to jet wash it down, and then I'm going to foam it again and then agitate it, and then that should allow me to be able to see which areas need to be covered most and which don't. I'm actually really happy with this product. Huge improvements already, and this is without me even agitating it. So let me get myself in there and start agitating all the bits that I need to get sorted, and I will show you the final product. So that is £12 6p from B&Q. Literally a jet wash is what you need, few agitating brushes, and that's it. So just hold fire for the ending. Alright guys, you ready for the final? Okay, this is as much, okay, disclaimer, this is as much as I could get off right now and do right now, yeah? Let's go. Everything's looking a lot better than it was before. You can see that whole side has come up. Oh. There's still a lot more to do. Alright, so you can see this whole side's cleaned itself up now and it's looking a lot better than it was before. It will need sanding down, and then obviously I will probably go through this process again. Subframe's looking really nice now as well. But yeah, overall it's got a so much of a better feel to it. Like, I'm talking like there's a lot of gunk in here. So in terms of this product, I've only gone through one can. I would say out of 10 I would probably give it probably a 7. It did what it said it was going to do. Rapid cleaning, easy to rinse off. Yeah, decent product. Obviously, if you're expecting to just spray it and it to all be nice and clean, it's not going to happen. I used obviously a little pad, a little cloth as well. So yeah, so from what it was before to what it is now. Leave it in the comment section below. It's a white EG. What colour would you do the engine bay? White EG. What colour would you do the engine bay? Leave a comment down below. Alright, until next time guys, hope this helps. So overall, yes, degreaser, really good to clean your engine bay. You know, thumbs up from me. Take care.